Hey guys, I'm cooking marry me chicken pasta. So I've got me a couple of chicken breasts butterflied, and I'm going to hit these with a little bit of this Creole seasoning. Use something like blackening seasoning, Cajun seasoning, Creole, something of that nature. Once I get those covered with it, I'm just going to dredge them in a little bit of flour. Hit this other side, make sure they're seasoned well. Just like that. I'm going to get a skillet on medium high. Get a little bit of olive oil in the skillet and a little butter. I've got some salted water boiling over here, and I'm going to go in with a little bit of pasta. Use whatever you like. I'm using some bow ties this evening. I'm going to go in with this chicken and just get it brown on both sides. Alright, that's sort of what I'm looking for. Flip that one over and let them cook on this side for just a couple minutes. Alright, I'll go ahead and pull the chicken out. Don't worry about whether it's done or not, because I'm going to put it back in the skillet in just a few minutes and we'll let it finish cooking then. You can just leave all the little pieces and crumbs and stuff in the skillet. I am going to back this heat down just a little bit to about medium. Going in with a good amount of butter. This recipe is good, not healthy. We'll do a little bit of minced garlic. We'll do some sun-dried tomatoes. These are in oil, so if some of that olive oil goes in, that's fine too. A little bit of heavy cream. By a little bit, I mean a lot. We'll hit this with just a little bit of sriracha, about that much, and a little bit of Italian seasoning. Give this a little bit of a mix and let it cook for just a few minutes. We can adjust the heat as we need. I'm going to let that thicken up just a little bit. I like to sort of mash these tomatoes up a little bit. You could also chop them up if you wanted to before you put them in there. I just threw mine in there whole. As that begins to thicken up, I've got one last ingredient, and that is some grated Parmesan cheese. Or use something else that you like. While that cooks, I'm going to put my chicken back in here for just a few minutes to let it finish cooking and also let it soak up some of the sauce. Go ahead and drain my pasta. I took the chicken back out, and if this gets a little thick on you, you can cut it with just a little bit of chicken stock or some of the water from the pasta. It's almost the way I want it. Now I've killed the heat. I'm just going to go ahead and pour it over this pasta. Less than half an hour on that and you're cooking. I hope you'll give this recipe a try. I'll catch you in the next video. God bless you.